Repotting is an important task in gardening for the healthy growth of the plants. But how do we know when to repot the plant? And more important, how to repot the plant without causing any harm? In today's video, I will tell you what are the signs to recognize that the plant needs repotting and what precautions should be taken while repotting in order to prevent the plant from shock. This is my Foxtail fern plant. I have been growing this plant for 2 years. I bought a baby plant. Now it has become a bushy plant. This is the third pot to which I am going to transplant my plant. So first I will tell you why I am repotting this plant. Plant's condition itself tell you that it's time to repot. The color of the leaves turn light green and the rate of growth becomes slow. If we closely observe the topsoil, we will find its roots emerging from the soil. You can see here, and these roots show the sign of root bounding. Root bounding means the entire pot is covered with roots due to overgrowth of roots, and the quantity of soil left is insufficient to provide nutrients to the plant, resulting in the stunted growth of the plant. So at this stage, we should repot the plant. Spring is the best season to repot your plant. I have been repotting my plant since the beginning of the spring, and now this is the turn of Foxtail fern. So I thought the repotting of Foxtail fern should be shared with the viewers. There are some precautions that should be taken while repotting in order to prevent the plant from transplant shock. Number 1 is time. Spring is the best time for repotting, and always repot your plant in early morning or in the evening. Secondly, never repot stressed plant. Water your plant thoroughly a day before repotting. I watered my plant yesterday, now it is ready to repot. The third important thing is the size of the pot. Take always one size bigger than the previous one, and I am taking this pot. Another important precaution is to prepare the potting soil before start repotting. For the potting mix, I am taking here sand, soil and compost in equal amount. I am adding 1 tablespoon of neem cake powder. The reason behind adding neem cake powder is that it is a nitrogen based fertilizer. You can see here its contents ratio, that is 5:1:1, means nitrogen is present in high amount that we need for the potting mix of Foxtail fern, as it is a foliage plant. It also works as pesticide, insecticide, fungicide and fertilizer. Another important tip is fill half the new pot before disturbing the plant so that the bare roots couldn't be exposed in air longer. Otherwise the plant can go under stress. Tap the pot gently so that the plant's sticky roots to the wall will loose and leave their space. Turn down the pot. Never push the plant from upside, otherwise its delicate leaves will be broken. Immediately place the plant in the new pot and fill it with the remaining soil. Leave 2-inch space for water because the Foxtail fern root system is quite well developed, and that's why the plant needs deep watering. Place the pot under shade because repotting itself shocked the plant, so the plant needs cool environment at this stage. Don't forget to water your plant right after repotting. Now the repotting is done. Leave the pot under shade for 2 to 3 days and then move your plant at a place where it can get indirect sunlight. Take care of your plant for good growth, and if you don't know how to taking care of this plant, then you can watch my video how to grow Foxtail fern. The link is given in the description box below. This is all about repotting of Foxtail fern, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.